Hey everyone, it's Nick with Us versus Herd, getting back at it on a Thursday. If you're here right now, say what up in the chat. Definitely has been a I don't even know what to say. Long, hard week essentially. Started off Monday. Had the with the one account, the small account one account challenge starting on Monday, and then the rest of the week has just been nothing but, super busy stuff going on. We got yesterday I was helping my brother move. In the hot sun. He didn't he didn't even get a truck. He didn't even get a truck. Take 10 million trips. Climbing upstairs. I fell down the stairs. So it's been a long week, but I've only done one trade right now on the excuse me, on the 1K account challenge count. Right now I'm currently down. Let me pull this up here. Currently down $30. The account balance right now is $968.72. So obviously you're down a little bit more than $30 here because of commissions. So gonna have to make something happen today. Get back to the green. NASDAQ getting the axe right now. I don't know why I can't talk. What's going on, Jeff, Carmine, Ramsey? How you doing? What's going on, guys? NASDAQ, VXX floating on up. You guys trading Clove? Clove? Oh man, why'd they do this to Clove, bro? It's like, so they had Clove had earnings yesterday, ripped to the 10. This definitely tells me, like, on Clove, bunch of bag holders, bunch of bag holders. Man, let's see here. Yeah, Clove, really needs to get above like 11. Then maybe. Nice gap up though. It's still up 11%. So I'm gonna see what happens here with Clove. I don't want to day trade it. I just want to see, kind of what happens here. AMC is bouncing a little bit. What other trades we got going on here? Tesla's getting the axe. ARK's getting the axe. DoorDash is getting the axe. Snow might be an interesting short. I don't know if I can afford the options on the 1K account. Let me check. Snow might be a short. The daily chart, not really looking like a short on the daily, but intraday this thing usually pops. But I don't know if I want to trade this. Yeah, I could probably afford it on the 1K account for tomorrow's expiration, next week expiration. Probably not. No. Yo, Jeff C, what's happening? UPST. Drinking some coffee. I'm running a little bit behind the day. I was actually just sore, laying in bed. Life's different. Like after you're 35, 30s. Let's see here. Apple, what are we doing? Apple's popped. The problem that I've been looking at the charts this week. The problem with them. Let me try to test. Is that better? The problem with the charts this week is we're literally just like really flat and pretty boring. Range is getting tight. If you look at something like Microsoft right now, we've been doing this since late July, right? Where we're just kind of I mean, it's literally like a stock like Microsoft floating between $5 right now. Range is getting tight. So I was like, is the market waiting for a catalyst, or are we waiting for gear up for the fall sell-off? What's the plan here? So, I mean, it's kind of been some boring trading, so I really haven't been missing much. Oh, man, Alibaba and Baidu. Some China news come out last night. Wow. Baba and Baidu getting axed. Like Alibaba's been a really good stock to swing short on. You sell, you short the pops. You don't short here. You don't short here. You short the pops. That's been working out, at least for me, anyways. But I'm not going to trade Alibaba. We got what do we got going on Roku? Anything? Roku? I don't know, guys. I don't really trust these charts right now. Still in AMD 110Cs, just waiting to see. Let's see. Let's take a look at AMD. It's been a minute. I used to watch AMD every day. Yeah, I don't know. I think this is tough. This is a tough trade, Jeff. This is a tough trade. If you guys could do me the favor, hit the like button. I definitely appreciate it. Shipping issues try to do to COVID. Not sure if that's affecting it. I don't know, but like Baidu. I mean, Baidu's down. Oh, Baidu had earnings. Okay, so that's different. Baidu had earnings. And I'm like so out of it. I didn't even see. Yeah, Baidu had earnings this morning. Oh, PLTR had earnings this morning. It's selling off too. Is Clove bouncing? Is Clove starting to bounce a little bit? We also have tonight. Tonight we got DoorDash, Airbnb, Disney. I think that is Sundial, SNDL, lead stock, Wish, Rocket Mortgage, and SoFi. RKT, what you doing? You know, what's interesting to me right now is like RKT. Housing industry is hot. You got stocks like Rocket and then Zillow. What's Zillow doing? I don't even know. What's the ticker for Zillow? I haven't looked at it in a long time. Is it Z? I mean, yeah. Zillow and RKT are just like... Doesn't seem strange to you? We're in the hottest housing market of the history of America, and these companies are not doing well. Well, their stock's not doing well. It's just interesting to me. I'm not like kind of tinfoil hatting it, but you know what I mean. I missed my AMC short the other day because I was gone. Wish is getting flushed right now. Oh, of course, the banks are doing well. Of course, the banks are doing well. Nobody else is doing well. The banks are doing well. The banks got to do Goldman's just flying. JP Morgan, flying. Bank of America. Getting some lag here in Thinkorswim. Spy. Trend is still intact. Tesla's getting a mad bounce. Although, what did I say about snow? What did I say about snow? I should have shorted that. But like, snow is not necessarily one you want to like. I would trade snow on the 1K account. But the problem is like the low volume and the way it moves, like it could go for you or against you rather quickly and not give you the time to get out. And on a small account, like a stock like Snow is going to be hard to trade just because of, you know, the volume. And but yeah, I should have traded this. This would have been a good trade here. Let me see. Because I was looking at the 280s. Let's see here, the 280s. Let's take a look. So the 280s, yeah, they're like $3. Now they're going for $4. Yeah, that would have been a good one. So it's my fault I didn't like chart this morning, so I'm trying to get familiar with what's going on here. You gotta be prepared, you know. You gotta be prepared. So kind of my goal today. Try to hit a trade or two here in the morning. Hop off. Not try to go. I'm not gonna try to go. I'm in Central, so I'm not gonna try to go past 10:30 Central Time. Got some other things to do today. Because I was sick. It's been a month since I got my hair cut, so I got a haircut later today. You know. Let me see here. Let me look at the. So we have. Man, Neo. Let me pull these charts over here because I think I need to get like. What I need is a new graphics card. So with the current graphics card that I have, I'm maxed out at 4 monitors, and I'm really juggling a lot of different things here because it's like the whole live stream and chat take up a whole monitor, but then I have some other charts that allow me to quickly scan the market, what I'm looking for here. It's definitely harder to trade live streaming with less monitor real estate because your chat and everything is taking up a whole screen. Yeah, Neo was oof. Fubo's coming down a little bit here. So Fubo had a nice run after earnings. Let's see, is it could come back down to 30. GE's up this morning. I still don't understand that. And is anybody else like charts lagging? Q can move over 365.50. Anybody else lagging here? Like it seems like my charts are lagging. The heck, Cortana? What are you doing? Hold on a second. I mean, I'm running okay. I'm running okay right now. It's not this. I mean, I'm running all right. That Chrome though. All right, I don't think it's my computer. I'm going with you, Jeff. I don't think it's my computer. Yo, I wish AMC would push to like 34, 35. I wish so I could short that. Another cyber attack. Have you guys done any trades yet today? So Apple's pushing pretty strong out the gate here. Man, this is unbearable though. How like slow this is going. It's nice. This nice clean break here at 146.40. It's tough though. Like the charts, the expectation you have right now is it's not going to have follow through. But Apple's popping off. But I'm a little bit hesitant to get in right here. We'll see. We'll see at 147.50 here. I mean, all week, this has been a bad week. You know, price has gone nowhere. I don't mean like a bad week in terms of the market, because I mean, it's fine. I'm just saying for day trade opportunities, it's just been overall hasn't been ideal market. We'll see what our boy Boeing is doing. Boeing's a little red here. But yeah, Boeing got the straight flush out the gate here. A little choppy here, guys. Let's see, Facebook. Could Facebook make a play to the upside here? Yeah, these candles, bro. These candles. Flat, flat, flat. Yeah, Coinbase is moving, right? This stock is literally crazy. Like, it goes from almost pushing 300 down to 30. This thing is... Yeah, I mean, you could... So it's kind of set up. It's kind of set up here for a buy the dip. If it bounces here, could push up to 280. For me, the overall market's not looking. Like, I don't like, yeah, Jeff, I don't like what I'm seeing here. People are like, you're not trading. It's like, well, I don't see anything that I really want to risk my capital on, you know, like, I mean, do you? I mean, look at this. Look at NVIDIA here. If I was going to look at it. And the funny thing is, so the other day, you remember I had the 200 strike puts? What was that? That was Monday. So Monday I had the 200 strike puts. Literally just sat here. What did it do Tuesday? Went down to 198. Could have pulled the triple bagger, but you know what? It didn't want to go down when I had it. The next day. So it was the right idea, just the time, you know, obviously, you know, with the account that I'm in, I'm not going to be waiting and waiting and waiting. Now it's back up to almost 200 here. But, I mean, the overall market, I don't know. The overall market right now is just seeing kind of weak. But Apple's still pushing right now. Let's see if it could break this 147.50. So PLTR is pushing. This stock likes to trap you though, but I like this setup right here. I didn't buy the dip. Should have bought the dip. VXX. PLTR looks like it could do something. No, VXX is moving. So PLTR. Okay, good. Nice IV crush there. Let's see where these options coming in at. Okay. Yeah, PLTR is up 11% now. Interesting. Hit that dip, tested the 200-day moving average, or a 50-day moving average, and now it's bouncing. Or no, yeah. Purple is the 200-day. Gold is the 50-day. That's interesting. Yeah, PLTR, but try to catch a dip maybe. Problem is, like on PLTR, you try to catch a dip, it usually just keeps dipping. It's like, we're gonna get this reversal. Chewy. Okay. Yeah, it really needs a break here. There's definitely resistance here. Yesterday it tried and then failed. This is tough though. This low volume, like, you know, it's just I mean, the problem with, and this whole week has just been, you know, like the movement itself on the stocks is like, it's not ideal. Yeah, I mean, from like a day trade perspective, I mean, it's just kind of tough, you know. So right now we're just in these zones here. Nasdaq made a weekly low here. Let's see here. Is this gonna bounce or is it gonna fall apart? Q's gonna bounce or fall apart. SPY doesn't look good. Hey Mark, how you doing, man? It looks like Q's want to reverse here. Question is, will it? It's looking like not. Yeah, PLCR is running hard. But like I said, like I was thinking maybe catch a dip on it, but the problem is the dip keeps dipping. And I should have bought those puts there. I was thinking about it. I have it highlighted here. Now those puts that I was going to buy on Qs are up 20%. Dang it. Gotta be a little bit faster. Oh, man. Interesting. Interesting. The daily chart's just so trash. Back in range here. That's what makes it tough is like the algos. This was happening on Monday too when I was day trading. It's just they just pop it back into range here immediately. But looks like Nasdaq's going for that new low. I mean, we could definitely have a red Thursday here. The overall market. I haven't done a trade yet. Let's see. Let's see about Boeing. Let's see about Boeing. Can Boeing crack here? Come back down to 237-ish. Yeah, Tesla's in trouble. Neo's getting smoked as well. Why is the movement today, the movement's so slow? You know? I think I might try to short. I think I might try to short Boeing here. What do you guys think? We'll see if we can get it. Put an order in, but no fill me on Boeing. Yeah, Boeing is not getting filled for me over here. They popped the Nasdaq back in range. Yo, congrats, Mark.
All right, could short snow here again. Maybe I'll try it with one contract. Man, the bid ask is so wide on these things. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. The account is not big enough to handle such a wide spread. You know. And Tesla might crack. Tesla just cracked 700. I mean, Boeing could come down. So Eli, I'm on a cash account, so there's no PDD if you stay within your cash limit. So $1,000 account, you have $1,000 to trade on. You can only use that cash to trade. You can't trade more than $1,000. You have to wait till the next day for it to settle. So if I trade all $1,000 within one day, I actually have to wait for tomorrow. But there's no PDD on the cash account. You do get, like, if you trade like if you go beyond the $1,000 or whatever your cash account is, you do get you do get hit with a good faith violation, but it's not the same as PDD. I think you get, like, with Tastyworks, I think you get like 5 or 6 good faith violations or something like that before they, restrict your account. And that's like in a year or so. Ooh, Nasdaq bouncing. That's what I mean. This kind of trading is just like this type of day trading right now is it's hard. Like, I'm not a bearish, like, I'm bullish, but this kind of price action kind of makes you get a little bearish, but for them to flip the reverse on you. But I mean, if we look at Nasdaq this week, started the week Monday at 15. Let's just call it 15,050. It's now at 14,980. So I mean, we it's been bad. Are you only playing options in this account? Yeah, right now, yeah. I guess I could do shares too if I wanted to, but hold on one second, guys. Hold on. Sorry about that. When the wife calls, you pick it up. You pick it up. You pick it up. I kind of want Boeing to pop up here to 239 area, but it does not look like it wants to do that. Apple's still looking strong. Tesla bounced above 700. PLTR is looking like a potential double top. VXX flattening out here. could mean some volatility ahead here, which would be good. We need some volatility, because this is just like, man. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Like, do you like trading 50-cent ranges? I don't. mRNA dip buy? I don't know. I would stay away from it. Like, this thing is, I mean, it got shredded 100 points, and I mean, if you have the stomach for it, but for like the $1,000 trading account, like, I don't think that's gonna be a thing, you know. Like, I'd like BA to crack here. All right, so need a Trump tweet. Oh, Trump can't tweet right now. He can't. Sorry, Trump can't come to the phone right now. That's crazy. Get banned from Twitter. It's crazy. I mean, is it gonna do it, Jeff? I mean, I'm getting old here, man. I'm getting old. Let's see. I might like Facebook. Facebook? Take a stab with the. Should I take a stab with the 360s? Facebook. Are the machines ready? Are they going to do this, or are we not going to do this? Come on. All right, I'm gonna try a two of these Facebook. Jeez. Too slow. I'm too slow today. I'm too slow. Could probably dip by Tesla, honestly. Nice job, Jeff. And no, this is like... So like when I look at the daily, like it's hard for me to put on a trade here when the daily, like at Microsoft, gets stopped out here. You know what I mean? Like your expectations are low. Now it could push. Now Nvidia. Yeah, look at this chart. This chart's a mess. I mean, if we can get a 199 break on Nvidia. Also need follow through. We need follow through on NASDAQ to push. There goes Facebook 360s. Should have. The issue with Tastyworks, I would say though, is like it's not as fast, you know. Yeah, Facebook is beautiful. I think Nvidia can push here. All right, I'm gonna try. Come on, you can do it. Man, Nvidia pushed 196 just now. Can it break? All right, I'm gonna try two of the 200 strike. See if we can get a break here. Might come back down to this 197 area. Otherwise, it's going to be stuck in range. Yeah, Facebook was good. Didn't get a fill. Happened too fast. Talking too much. Okay, so I'm in these Nvidia 200 strike here. Got a fill for 110, so we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Need Nvidia to break this here, and then we'll be good. What I'm looking at is here. It's 190. Need a 199 break. That was nice. That was a nice push off the Nasdaq there. Nvidia's a little scary here. I don't know if it's going to break. Just looking for a 199 break, but Jeff, I don't know if it's going to happen. I don't know if it's going to happen. Nasdaq kind of tapping out here. Doesn't look great. Red dust. Had the one trade there. Could have. My Facebook would have filled. Would have been great. Didn't fill. Yeah, that's a good call. Not trading, just watching. PLTR looks like a good setup here. It's making another new high. PLTR. I'm glad I didn't short Snow, because Snow's up 284 right now. Now where do we go? We get rejected here. We gonna push up? What's the plan? I mean, all indices are still red currently. SPY needs to push another 44 cents to get green. Qs need to push 14 cents to get green. I think Qs could do it here. I'd really love the Nasdaq to break this area. All right. Could do it. Nvidia could do it. So Nvidia has earnings next week. Nvidia has earnings August 18th. Come on, push it. Push it. See, Facebook was too quick. Now Nvidia is running too slow. Facebook's still running. Tesla's still running. Those Facebook calls, they just doubled. They just pulled a double from what I was trying to buy. It didn't fill. Yeah, Facebook was legit. Okay, Nvidia, we need to break this area. Come on. NASDAQ, you need to break this area. Good job, Jeff, because it's kind of iffy if it's going to break through or not. Could break through, why not? But if you look here, I mean, we're only, well, this was an 80-point move from top to bottom here. Might have to go refill my coffee quick. All right, let's push it. Push it. Push this. So currently up 4% on this trade, but we need it to break. We need it to break here. So you need it. What I'm looking for is a push up to the 10-day moving average, which is at 200. We need some buyers. NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ's looking interesting. Come on. Break this level. I see this is where it was getting rejected yesterday. Right in here. All afternoon it couldn't break this level on the NASDAQ. So let's see if we can break this level here and get a little continuation here. Everything just seems to be taking so long. Neo looks like it wants to catch a break. Man, Tesla's a wild one today. But I guess so is Nvidia. I mean, look at this. I mean, it hit 196.25, reversed. Kind of a scary morning. I mean, I would love for it to, definitely have a lot of red to green reversals today. That would be ideal. All right, come on, Nvidia. I'm gonna sell one at. I'm gonna try to sell one for 20%. If possible. Let's see, Disney is, yes, today. Disney, Airbnb, DoorDash. All right, let's see what we could do here. 50%. I'm gonna cut one. I'm gonna cut one at 20%. Let me just put the order in. Okay, so I just put an order in to cut one at 20%. So we'll see if we get that fill, and then I'll see if I can sell another one for 30 or 40%. Yeah, kill the banks. Kill the banks. All right, Nvidia is trying to break. Currently back to green on this account, only by $4 though. We're definitely struggling. I only did one. I've only done one trade on this account this week, so this is my second trade. It sucked that the very first trade is you know. Actually, I think I'm gonna lock this in here. All right, I'm gonna lock it in. Yeah, Jeff, I see. I don't like this getting rejected here. I just locked that in. I just closed it in. I made like 13-14% on that. I locked it in. Unfortunately, if you take a look at my P&L here, lost $30, made $30. Now I'm back to break even. So the good news is back to break even on this account for the P&L. Now let's see if I can find another opportunity. So I won one trade. Like I said, the rules are win 2 trades in a row, quit. So we'll see if I can get another trade in here. We're about an hour into market open. Yeah, and like what? So when I'm looking at this, I wasn't liking that it was getting rejected here on the NASDAQ. So like when I'm trading tech, I'm always lining it up with the NASDAQ. And then I saw Facebook getting smoked on my other monitor here. So I didn't like that. So it's going to be... The problem is with this price action in a small account, it's gonna be a tough grind. You know, it's gonna be a tough grind until unless some volatility picks up or something, get a good opportunity. That Boeing short would have worked out. I mean, the good news is like today we're spotting some more opportunities than we did on Monday. So like spotted Facebook, that was a good opportunity. Spotted Boeing, that's a good opportunity. Nvidia made a little bit of money, but it was a little too slow. Looking at Boeing here, I was looking at buying these 237s, 237.50s. What are they going for right now? They're going for $1.60. I was trying to get them for like $1.30. They're going for $1.90 now. Oh no, they're going for $1.60. So that would have been a good. So let's see if we can get. We got is Ramsey still here? I got a bet here with one of the guys because I'm very anti. I don't know what you guys think. Are you guys pro pineapple pizza or anti pineapple pizza? Because I'm very anti pineapple pizza. You know, being in Chicago, and you know, we don't put fruit on pizza. So the situation is, if I can get this account green by end of day tomorrow, I'm gonna be ordering a pineapple pizza right on stream. I'm gonna eat it on stream and let you guys know what I'm gonna do a pizza review essentially while I'm on the stream. All right, so while we wait here, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go refill my coffee real quick. So I'll be right back. Pineapple pizza can really boost your count P&L. Pineapple and pepperoni. You guys are some real sick ones in the chat here. Some real sick people here. All right, we needed a spot. I need to spot another opportunity like Facebook. Facebook was solid. And the thing is, like, yeah, Boeing's still going down too. The thing is, like, when something like that happens, where you're in, like, let's say Facebook, I was in a position, I didn't get filled. I tried twice. I tried to cancel, replace, get filled again. But you want to be careful about chasing, right? And then it runs for 100%. What happens to a lot of people, I noticed, is they get really angry. They're like, oh, I was there, my order didn't get filled, and then it ruins, like, their whole day. Like, it's okay. It didn't get filled. On to the next trade. You gotta, I know it's hard, especially, like, when you're new at trading, because I found that, like, when you're new at trading, a lot of people, they find an opportunity, but the problem is they don't know when they're going to find it again, so it really triggers their emotions, like, oh, man, I was right there. Can't believe I couldn't get in, and that's part of the trading. Sometimes you don't get the fill. It is what it is, It is what it is. On to the next trade. So right now, yeah, good thing I sold NVIDIA. Look at that. Look at these. So look at what they're doing to these option pricing here on NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is dropping pretty hard right now. Currently going for 87 cents. I sold them at 125. Would have been red. Bought them for 110. Sold them for 125. Not great, but you don't want to take a loss, especially when you're trading. So I was trading these 200s here. Take a look here. I mean, so I sold, these popped up to 130. I sold at 125. So we captured near the top on this run right here, hit 130. These came down from 130 all the way down to 88, now going for 90. Like, you can get smoked here. You can get smoked. Oh, mark you up in Lake Villa. Nice, bro. Borderline country up in Lake Villa. Borderline country. All right, so I don't like NVIDIA here. Nasdaq's still looking like it wants to break this. Ooh, AMC is getting smoked. PLTRs look like a stop. Facebook's getting hit. So, man, yeah, Facebook beats living in the city. That's true. That's true. My son can't even, like, handle it. Didn't fill, didn't overpay. You guys use, I know some people here, do you guys use what do you guys use? You guys use Active Trader on Thinkorswim? You guys use Tastyworks? What are you guys doing? I know you, Derek, you use the Active Trader. AMD short. Could probably short this Facebook, but I'm not going to fade that. I don't know if I want to short AMD. Not here. I have indicator mean your position. I'm not sure I understand the question mark. So if I was running, let's see. What did I say about ooh. We looked at this earlier. What about Disney? Oh, man. Disney, they're doing dirty. Gotta go. Wife says it's time to walk the dog. All right, man, take it easy. Active Trader is the truth. I think, Derek, I think if I was on Active Trader, I probably would have got filled on that Facebook play I was trying to get on. What did what's Bumble's ticker? BMBL. What'd they do for earnings? Open down. What about eBay? They had earnings last night. eBay's flat right now. Hasn't been a great earnings season. Fubo reversed. It's about Coinbase. Coinbase is stuck. TrendSpider, TradingView. You trade, Jeff. You trade directly through TrendSpider. What do you guys fill? What do you guys fill your orders in on? Or you go directly through TradingView to what broker? I have TrendSpider, but I haven't used it that much. I've been, like I was showing you guys the other day, I mainly use it to like scan. Right now. Wish could bounce here. Still scary trade. All right, I need one more trade. Nasdaq could push here. Let's see. Can we trade the Qs? Can we trade this here? Can we break this? Can we break to Can it break to 368? We got a bull flag set up here. What do you guys think? Bull flag set up. Qs, trade the Qs. Let's see. I'm gonna try to trade these Qs here. Let me in. Not filling. Yo, bro, these guys were not filling me. Oh, you trade on Tasteworks? Okay, so I'm trading this Q's break here. Currently in right now. I have three of the 367.50s. Didn't get it. I got it fill at 89. I was trying to get a fill at 85. Got filled at 89. Not ideal, but see if we can get a break right here. If we can get a push to 367.50, would be great. We broke this. If we could get rejected here, but it's hitting the 10-day moving average right now. If we can break this, break it. Definitely these trades, I would say these trades definitely a little bit more patient. It's like inching up. Yeah, Jeff, that's what I'm shooting for, bro. That's what I'm shooting for. I'm shooting for 50 cents here. I'm shooting for 50 cents. That's all I want. I'm actually gonna put an order in just to have one ready. Could come back down to 366.50 area here. Apple's just been nonstop. it took a little break here, but it's trying to push. SPY's trying to break this here for 44. Q's. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's break 367. Let's go. Break this. Break this. So 10-day moving average. It's right here. We're right on it. Let's break the 10-day moving average. Reverse this. Jeff, I'm actually hopeful that, like, I mean, this ran $2. I'm hopeful if we could break here, you know, we could break here, it could run. But in this, like, as you can see, like with Nvidia and these trades, we're in. You cannot get greedy. You cannot get greedy. You get greedy, it's over, bro. It's over. You cannot get greedy in this. All right, I'm up 5% in the position right now. I'm looking for this break. Come on. I remember like, you know, you'd be in situations like this when like Trump was president, and you'd be like, come on, don't say anything, just let me get this. Like you'd be all paranoid. Not trying to get political, but it was a factor that you had to factor in. Like you really had to, you know, you really had to think about your exposure to politics, because I've been in positions where like this, I'd load up and get annihilated because something happened to a tweet or whatever. Q's kind of consolidating up in this area, as you can see on the 1 minute chart, 366.80 area. Let's get a push. Let's get a push. Apple's still running. A PLTR would have been good too. There's some good opportunities today. It's just kind of excruciating the how fast we're moving here. It's like let's break it. Let's break it. Yeah, my P&L is kind of floating between red and green right now. It's going red, flat, red, green, green, red. So you can't let your P&L with a small account. You can't let your P&L distract you from your mission here. You just gotta relax. Relax. Take it easy. Yeah, VXX is getting decimated though. So give me the push. 40, 50 cents. I'm good. I'm good with it. I'm just looking for a small gain today. I'm not being greedy, Mr. Market. Just help us out here, bro. Need Fang to move. Yeah, I mean, Apple's pushing. You got Netflix red still. Nvidia is also not doing great. Microsoft's doing pretty well. But again, taking a break here. Taking a little break. Nothing to see here. Just help. Help. But these live streams definitely will be a lot more active if the market moves. Like, you know. But I mean, you have to balance yourself for all different types of markets. You can't be aggressive all the time. You get aggressive in this market right now, you're gonna get smoked. Nasdaq, let's go. DKNG's back above 50. Let's see this. So I checked it. Yeah, I checked it earlier. It was tapping the low side at 48. Oof. Come on, give me 367. Let's go. How are you guys doing trading today? Good, bad, flat? What's the situation? Like it doesn't want this. All right, I got out. Only made $9, so I made only like 3% on this, but I don't like this. I made $9. I don't like this. Put a fire. I mean, I'm up a little bit today. Green's on the account. Not amazing. I'm 2 for 2. However, they're rather small gainers. Only made like 13% on Nvidia, and then made 3% on Qs. But I felt like today, I was kind of late to some of these trades. Like Facebook, I was late to. Boeing I saw, but I was late to. So I think for me, for this type of movement, I just got to be a little bit early, take a chance. It is a little bit more nerve-wracking with the small account. It's just an overall adjustment trading this size, but had a green day. Not $39 profit day, $1,000 account. I mean that's not bad. That's not bad. Oh, we're gonna get a push. We're gonna get a push on the Qs now. I see, but you just don't want to risk. I didn't want to risk the profit. I want to keep this account in the green. I don't like. I mean, it could. Well, I'm looking here at Qs. I mean, it could push here, but. It's kind of struggling up here, so take the profit, and tomorrow will be another day. I mean, this probably will run some more, but right now I'm just looking for day trades on this account. Go slow, take it easy, stack some gains, and some days will be easier, some days will be harder. Today I feel is like a little bit harder. Monday was excruciating, and that's why I'm doing one. Monday was excruciating. I did one trade and I quit. I'm like, you know what? That's it. Done with this. But right now the $1,000 account is in the green. So go about that. So I'm going to sign off. I'm going to call it a day. Had 2 winning trades. That's the rules. 2 winning trades, no matter what size they are, small, big, whatever. You're done. We're done. I'm sticking to the rules. Limit my exposure, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. As always, stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.